Hello viewers, Rahmat here. Welcome back. This is our second episode. Here we shall be dealing with hidden words clues. Clues with hidden words are in fact the easiest ones to solve. At least I believe so. And soon you are going to agree with me too. All we have to do is to search for the required word within a particular word or a group of words. Of course, there has to be a hidden word indicator for any such clue. This hidden word indicator will give a meaning that there is a word hiding inside one particular word or a group of words that will fit the definition. That is to say, it will give a synonym or another word for the definition. So let's begin. So let's look at our first clue and try to find out whether there is a hidden word indicator or not. Previously found in matriculation certificate. This found is the hidden word indicator. And we have to find a word which is hiding in the next two words, matriculation certificate. And we get once, ONCE once, hiding inside there, which will be the synonym to the word previously and our answer. Here's the second clue. Final sample of plastics. Final is the definition. Sample of is the hidden word indicator. And we get a sample of plastics, a part of it. LAST, last. Which is a synonym to final. And our answer. The third clue. Hindu queen in tiara. Nice. Now tiara is a sort of jeweled ornament worn over the head. Here Hindu queen is the definition, in is the hidden word indicator, and we have to find a suitable word within the next two words. We get from here to here Rani. And Rani is the Hindu queen. The next clue, mundane wonders showing again. Now mundane wonders showing is the hidden word indicator. So these two are showing. So that means the word is hiding somewhere here. And we get anew. Which is a synonym of again. And again is the definition here, is at the extreme end. This clue is asking for a 5-letter word. Former US president, part of mob. Amazing. Now, former US president is the definition here. Part of is the hidden word indicator. And we have to find the word from within these two words. Mob and amazing. It can't start with M. It can start with O. It can start with B. Suppose we start from here and take the 5 letters. We get Bamas. I haven't heard of any such name. And if we start from O and we get Obama. Yes, indeed. Barack Obama. Obama is the answer here. Obama is the name of the former US president. He was just before Donald Trump. So this is the answer. Let's observe the next one. A chosen group of Israeli teachers. Another clue asking for a word of 5 letters. Now, of is the hidden word indicator of Israeli teachers. So, a word is hiding in between here. We get here elite. An elite is a chosen group. It serves the definition. Our next clue, a weapon held by crosswords. A weapon can be bow, arrow, sword, gun, or axe. So held by crosswords. This is the hidden word indicator, and crosswords holding from here to here, sword. Which is indeed a weapon. Now let's look at our next clue. Pilfer from West Almira. Now pilfer means to steal. From is the hidden word indicator. And we get steal here. Which is the synonym of pilfer. Next one, excite with a pleasant thrill in lunatic kleptomania. Now, kleptomania is the irresistible urge to steal. Now, we find in here as the hidden word indicator. So, in within the next two words, we get a word tickle. And tickle is to excite with a pleasant thrill. So tickle is our answer. Let's go at our next clue. Seek hope. She is clutching an Egyptian weapon. Is clutching is grasping tightly. And from this phrase, seek hope she, we get the word copish. Which is the name of an Egyptian weapon. Actually, Khopesh is a sickle sword that evolved with battle axes. So Khopesh is our answer here. Most important proposal I entertained? Not entirely. Here, not entirely is the hidden word indicator, indicating a part of or some. So from these words, proposal I entertained, we get salient. And salient is another word for most important. Fancy, some, acclaim, a gin exposure. Some is the hidden word indicator. Now from these four words, you get imagine. IMAGINE. To imagine means to fancy. And next clue. Some meat, a blessing, is fit to be consumed. Now some is the hidden word indicator. So from the other words, meet a blessing, we have to trace out the word. Suppose if we take from here, table, there's a word. Tables, a 6-letter word, but neither table nor tables is a 7-letter word or fit to be consumed. If we start from here, we get eatable. And what is eatable? Eatable is fit to be consumed. Our last clue, joyous, public. He somehow appears inside, asking for a 10-letter word. Now, somehow can be an anagram indicator, but from either end, We are neither seeing a word or a group of words adding up to 10 letters, but appears inside. Here it indicates that it is a hidden word indicator. And from the words public he somehow, we get blithesome. Which is a synonym of joyous. So viewers, Khopesh was really a very tough word. We just saw that sometimes general knowledge also has an important role in solving cryptic crosswords, and vice versa. Solving more and more cryptic crosswords can enhance your general knowledge as well as your vocabulary. So I end here by presenting 5 good clues for you to solve. If you have liked this video, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye.